top 5 ways to attract success into your life. Think only about what you want to achieve. Because each of our thoughts is material, due to the fact that it is energetically charged. Therefore, you broadcast this energy into the world, and it attracts what you have thought about so often. And if you dwell on the fear of failure, then most likely this will happen. At first it will be difficult, because when we don't want something, we subconsciously constantly scroll through the undesirable situation in our head in the smallest detail. Right? Therefore, a positive way of thinking has an almost instant effect. Then you will learn in detail how to visualize what you want and notice small victories. Reframe your negative thoughts. It's just that out of all the phrases that indicate what you don't want, you need to make such a shifter for yourself by creating affirmations. For example, you are worried that you will not be able to pay the rent of the premises for your started business. In this case, the wording is suitable. I will have enough money to pay the rent. Write down 5 phrases, continuing the words, I don't want or I'm afraid, and then next to each positive statement. And do this exercise until you reformulate all your fears or unwillingness to do something. Learn to be grateful. Sometimes, when there are many turmoils, difficulties and failures in life, it is very difficult to consider those moments for which you should be grateful. But believe me, the fact that you are alive is already worth a lot. Thank yourself for not giving up and getting up from your knees after every setback. Thank your loved ones who are close to you, even if sometimes they do not support you. Learn to enjoy these seemingly simple, but in fact the most important things: family, children, parents, friends, a roof over your head, the ability to walk, move. In the end, if you remember gratitude, you can change the world. Expand your circle of acquaintances with those who have achieved success. You will be in an environment that motivates you to achieve. In an environment where this energy of achievement circulates. Communication with people who have faith in themselves and their strength will give you confidence about your own abilities. After all, if you observe how others act, despite the risk and fear, then over time you yourself will try to take the first step towards your goal. Technology doesn't stand still. In the modern world, there is a huge flow of constantly changing information. Therefore, no matter what knowledge you have, never stop developing. Only by following, and sometimes even anticipating some of the needs of the world market, you can reach the same level as the heroes of my publication, real stories of people who have achieved success with their work and perseverance. Because attracting good luck is a whole complex of internal character traits, hard work and knowledge in the area in which you are advancing.